You can't be that person. You can't get on a call like this and not change. Because see, if you don't apply something you learned tonight, you won't apply something you hear next week. You won't apply something you hear the next week. You won't apply something you hear the next week. And then you consistently show up and you wake up a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now and say, this business doesn't work. When that is farthest thing from the truth. You're the fly. You're the fly. But see, we're not the flies because yes, we're beating our head against the window going, try harder, try harder, try harder. I just need to get on another call. I just need to get on, read another book. No. Yes, maybe, but no. You need to listen and apply what you have learned. I just had my birthday on Friday. It's like, love birthdays, right? They say that people make changes and achieve the most growth at 3 different times. Their birthdays, Mondays, and New Year's. Isn't that fun? So any given Monday, your birthday, which was mine was on Friday, and New Year's. Those are the 3 biggest times. You can make a change anytime. I decided to quit drinking Diet Coke on a Tuesday. Hadn't picked up one since then. That was like 15 years ago. I used to drink them like Frank a Coin did. Still does. Now,